guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, we here again in Boondocks. Here's Boondocks. And we go to the bumper boats. Here it is guys. Bumper boats.
Yeah, so I'm gonna let you out with them, and then you can just kind of come in whenever you're ready.
Wow.
2 boats.
Yeah, I got 2 boats for you. You guys can. Yes.
Oh.
I have to wait a second. Okay, we got boats here. We got a boat over there.
Oh, look at this. Pick your boat, RJ. What's number, RJ?
You can use that one. There's nothing beyond that sign. So that one's not plugged in, but the rest of them are.
That's all, so we use those 2.
So you can use those 2.
That's a good 8, 9.
Number 8, RJ. Number 8.
Number 8.
Yeah, go.
I can't get on yet.
Oh, you and Daddy? Okay, go. Okay, put your foot there. Hold on. Okay, go. Oh.
So you're gonna put one leg on this side, one leg on this side, kind of with that in the middle of you. And that's gonna be the go button, and that'll be the squirter.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
RJ,
You guys ready?
you know
The
how to
rules
do?
are nothing more than just don't jump in the water. So as long as you don't jump in the water, you guys are good. Ready?
You make cute.
Okay. Have fun.
There's Daddy.
Sorry.
It's okay. There's RJ. Go, RJ. And RJ and Daddy is there. You make with Daddy, RJ. Don't do that. Okay, come here, honey. I go right, honey. Come here. Back here, honey. RJ, stop. Okay, honey, we... Sit. Okay,
Switch. You switch riders.
What's up?
we switch.
You gonna switch?
Okay, honey. Oops.
Don't give it a call.
Okay.
Okay. There's RJ. There's Mommy way in the back. Bumper boats. There's Mommy. Go catch Mommy, RJ. Go hit her.
guys ready to come back in, or you want to be out a little longer?
You give me another minute? A couple more minutes? Okay, 2 more minutes. 2 minutes. Go bump them. Bump each other. That thing keeps spinning. Bump.
Yeah, you can just get me close to it.
RJ, shoot. Okay. Go. Go get them. No, go get them. Go get the other people.
I don't want to make what?
She don't want to get wet, she says.
You done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Are you done?
You can come right here and I'll help you out.
RJ, give him another. Take another minute. Go attack.
There you go.
There's RJ. Bump, RJ, bump, RJ, bump. Bump. Bump, RJ, bump. Make what? You like it, RJ? There you go. That's it. Here.
Okay.
There's RJ.
It says she needs the Yeah. Oh boy, I'm in trouble.
There's the view in here. Guys, it's so wet. Okay, we're gonna. Huh? Come here. Here is the go kart. See that? I tell you, not do that. It's making wet. Here you go, guys. We go to the other place. What's the next, RJ?
No,
Not
I'm
like
out of
it.
control. It's spinning. It's so tight. The legs are long. 72 inches. So it's 44 inches above. Like the ultimate view.
Okay. And they go there. The truck, road truck. There is. I go there.
You have to do the rocket first.
Okay, go to the Rocky first, RJ. We go there. Yeah.
What do you
Okay.
want to do first?
There you go. There is the height requirements. In here, the
This
Yeah.
is not roller bar. Roller bar's here.
yeah. Yes.
Go attack those kids. I'll tell you, attack them. big bumper.
Here's the entrance. You want here? It's close. Yeah, but have no people here. There you go, RG start.
I think
Rollerball
this is his card. Says no cost.
here. RG.
There's no ball.
There you go. There is the ball, RG. There you go.
Let me see the ball. Roll it down the center.
Hey guys, we're here in the roller ball. A roller ball. RG playing. That. No hard. There it is. Hard, RJ, hard. Go hard. Oh, wow.
Yeah, one of them got stuck. I'll hurry and go.
One of us playing.
There you go. Okay guys, we're going to the batting cage. And there are people now there. You want RG again? Okay. Here's RJ.
You're number one.
This is helmet.
Go back. I'll go with one. What about?
No good that he not like RJ.
Here's the big one.
Okay, go.
This
Change the other one.
This seems too long. Try it.
Okay, go.
It says that's your softball bat.
It says softball has narrow head.
Here you go.
This is broken.
Here you go.
Man, that's fun.
Okay, go. There you go.
Go to the last one.
Found his helmet.
Look at the speed. It's medium 45. Number one is baseball.
Here is RJ. Put the card. Swipe in. Swipe, RJ.
Leave it in. It's a good start. Get ready.
Here. This is hard.
Run. Get close to the plate.
So heavy. Here is RJ. Start. Go pass. go, done. We're gonna win. Ano? There is RJ. It's done now. See guys, that's it for today guys. It's already done. RJ is there. This RJ is out now. Okay, that's it for now. Bye bye.